it's Melissa. I am here today to show you some of my favorite designs on So Fancy. So these are 3D paper designs that I'm literally just like can't wait to make all of them. They are so easy. These are gift card holders, and I want to show you how easy they come together. So I've got one here that I made yesterday, this little succulent heart card holder. Okay, and I'll show you more about that. And then this little school bus design, which is front and back and also holds a gift card. So perfect for a teacher. Okay, so this one has a little tab in the back, and you just pop it open, and then the gift card's inside, right? So I want to show you how quickly these come together. This is all one piece. Hey, Tara, this is all one piece. I literally brought this in to Silhouette Studio, and then I'm going to pull you down so you can see. But this is, let's see if I can adjust can you see that? The design came in just like this. It's literally ready to cut, okay? And so obviously I already print and cut one, but I have another one here so you can see how this comes together, all right? And then I'm going to show you where you can get them. You can obviously personalize more if you wanted, like if you wanted to, once you had this in studio, if you wanted to add text that said your bus driver or your school teacher's name, or I left this little piece blank. This is a little, and I'll talk about adding pieces later, but if you wanted to add like thanks or you don't suck, or yeah, haha, that was just a little joke, or anything, like if you want to add something there, you can do that by just using the text tool. But what I want to show you is how quick these cut and how nicely they come together while it's cutting, while the school bus is cutting. Well, my Cameo, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the succulent gift card holder design because that one cuts in two pieces, and I want to just show you real quick. Okay, so let's get this started. Okay, no. That's not what we want. Hold on. Alright, so load. Okay, and I've actually, since I already cut this design, let me tilt you over here. Since I already cut this design once right here, as I showed you, I can just on my Cameo, if you don't have a Cameo and you have a Cricut or a CRAFTY, you can still do this. But you can just click repeat job and it'll go. All right, so anyway, so we'll keep that going. But while that's going, I'm just going to show you this. So this cut as this single solid piece, this printed out like this, okay? And then I had the pot, which is a little pouch, okay? It was one flat piece similar to this, and I had to just fold it on the perforation line, which was already set up in the design. These designs are perfect, and they're perfectly sized for gift cards, so you don't want to resize it. I just needed one line of double-sided tape. Double-sided tape, I stuck it down here and then folded it in half, so it's holding it together. You can see here, it's open, and here it's open, okay? But the way that this design, it's perforated up here too, so it's nothing's coming out. And then you've created a little pouch, all right? And then this side was where the tape is. All right, and then these little things, the little tabs come right on there. Just stick your gift card in there and then put it in. And it's so perfect. I mean, how cute is that? Of course, you could also use this. You could manipulate this if you wanted and just print and cut the whole thing as one solid piece. But if you are doing them as these 3D gift holders, they are all set exactly how you need them. While that's finishing up, I'm just going to show you that. So this is how this cuts out. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we'll just do this one together. So I always test, before I pull it out, I always test to make sure, did it cut through? And yeah, it's fine. So I just pop it. I probably could have done a double cut on that, but there you go. Okay, so before I unload it, I always test it. Okay. Hold on, I'll pull it up here so you can see. All right, so we have our design. This is 110 cardstock. I cut it on the cover stock option. And then you fold it on the perf line. All right, this is the front because it has the little wheels that are popping down. You can see they pop out of there. All right, and then you have this tab that goes into this little slit in the back. These designs are perfect. I'm telling you, you don't have to do anything to them. Sometimes you buy designs and it's like, oh, it doesn't fit correctly or whatever. But what you should keep in mind as I'm putting this in here is that you do not want to adjust the sizing on this because they are perfectly sized for the gift cards. All right, let's see. And then the other thing is, I was trying, if you wanted to, oh, now I'm struggling myself to get this little tab in there. That slides in, yeah, it keeps it all closed, okay? All right, I'm actually gonna keep these. I'll just give them to my kids' teachers. Seriously, that was like 10 minutes, and I did 2 of them. And they fit on one standard piece of 8.5 by 11. So you've got these couple of options. There's tons. These are from Melissa Rose's shop, and I'll get you a link. But we have a lot of 3D designs on So Fancy, and these are super cute. The other thing, one thing I was going to point out, except that I didn't have any foam dots that I could quickly find. But this design is all grouped together. The cut lines, everything's ready. But if you want to, you can ungroup it, and then you could print and cut the circles or anything you want separately, and then apply it on there. You could run it through your Xyron, or what I was going to do was, you know, put some 3D foam dots to kind of pop it out and give it even more dimension. But it obviously doesn't need it. It's super cute. So I see I have a couple of questions. How in the world do you print that? So with the Silhouette Cameo, you can print from Silhouette Studio to your home printer, okay, and it prints like this on here, and then you can, because of these registration marks that you have up here, the 3 marks, it tells the machine exactly where to cut it. I believe the Cricut has the same functionality that you can print and cut on those as well, but it's very precise. You can see it. I mean, I didn't do any adjustments to these, and they came out super, super cute. All right. Okay, guys, I will throw up the designs where I got these exactly, and then you can check out the 3D designs in general because there's a bunch of them. Melissa also has boxes and all kinds of little paper craft things that are just to die for. I never thought I needed a stick of butter design until I saw hers. I was like, oh my God, it might be the cutest thing I've ever seen. And then we have new freebies up this week, so go check them out. We have a script bundle that just came out yesterday. It's like $1 per font, and they're all commercial use, and they're gorgeous, cut friendly, obviously scripts. So go grab all that stuff while you're over there, and have a good weekend, guys. I'll see ya.